name's Roger Larimore, and I've had a little bit of cavity problems along the way, but I don't know about the front teeth.
You had the partial put in, the temporary, about 5 years ago.
Was that was before?
Failing now.
Yeah.
Something more.
Because they won't stay in. I have to cement them in myself, and it works for sometimes a week, 2 weeks, sometimes not even that long. And the fact that my bite's not what it should be. I'm pretty much chewing my food up on my plate, cutting it up and mincing it, not what I wanted, how I wanted my life to go. I'm very self-conscious about this. It's not easy to be yourself when you're like, I don't want to have to work with a denture. I have parents that went through that, and it just didn't work, and I just saw the misery they went through, and I just don't want to go through that myself. So I thought this would be the better answer.
So Roger, what do you think you're looking forward to most about having a whole new smile?
Oh, everything. I'm not myself like this. I can't be. I wouldn't wish it on anyone. It's tough. Surgery went well, actually. I was very pleased with it, quick, no issues. Having this has been great. You know, I got my smile back, and yes, it really makes a big difference every day. You know, I still, you know, it's just that part of me is back again. I think I was more nervous about it than what I needed to be. You don't even know what's, you know, that's happening, and it's next thing you know, they're there, and you're ready to go home. You know, it's like, so. Yes, I would definitely suggest America First. Where I live is a community, and a lot of social events and a lot of things going on. And yeah, anyone, when they start noticing and saying something, believe me, I'm going to suggest it. Tell them just, you know, the right place to go visit, and have it taken care of, and get it sooner than later. I wish I hadn't waited as long as I had. I'd be doing them a favor if I did, you know, if I tell them.